today we're on our latest 35 IFC that we just recently delivered to Charleston. We just had a full weekend full of sea trials and wanted to do a quick walkthrough video for you guys. So climb aboard and I'll walk you through the things that are different on this boat and new on this boat in comparison to any other boats that we've built. So starting back here, you might have already noticed, but we've got twin 400R Mercuries. They're the V10s, naturally aspirated. They have exceeded our expectations as far as performance goes and have been a really good fit for the boat. Those that do long range trips, very heavy loads, full fuel, ice, lots of gear, these would be a great fit for you. In the back, we've got a removable acrylic insert, removable grab rails, and a ladder that protrudes out the transom. We've got dual 40-gallon live wells like we do on all of our boats. They will pressurize to the top, so you keep all those baits nice and happy, even on long runs. We've got bilge access on both sides. This side we've got lithium-ion batteries that you'll soon learn why. And we've got 2 bilge pumps per hull. Transducer on this side, transducer on the other side, and we've also got a side scan transducer, so 3 transducers on this boat. In this side, you'll find our pump box. That's how we pressurize our live wells. We've got another transducer and 2 more bilge pumps. You've got the drop-down tackle and rigging station like we have on all of our boats, and your tackle storage. And here, you've got your insulated cooler. You've got rocket launcher here, that comes standard with the boat, and the upgrade for the rocket launcher up top. Moving forward, you'll notice we've got JL audio sound system around the boat. You got plenty of storage for more tackle. And this particular boat also has Seakeeper 4 in it. So I'll show you this over here. She's tucked in here. And massively reinforced. You've got 3 wide Helm seating. They're on shocks. Let's raise these seats up so you can comfortably sit here and have a nice clean line of sight. You'll notice that he moved his helm over to the left. He's got the Mercury Skyhook joystick. He's got dual 19-inch Garmin's, Mercury vessel view, phone chargers up top, controls for the Seakeeper and controls for the JL audio sound system. And we'll continue moving forward. So the next special detail about this boat is it has a custom console that we built specifically for the customer. He wanted to be able to do overnights on this boat, so it's got air conditioning and you've got a large berth in here for a catamaran that I will show you. So I'm 6'1", you got a pretty good amount of space, ice cold AC, so while you're not going to be living on this thing, it is nice to get the kids out of the heat, take a break from the heat if you're hanging out at the sandbar, or if it's just you and one other person, a nice cool spot to cool down on an overnight trip. You've got access into the back side of your electronics. Everything is properly labeled. It's all temperature regulated and ventilated in here, so you won't have any of your electronics shutting down. You'll notice you've got your batteries down here, as well as 2 more batteries in the bilge access that we already showed you. Moving forward, you've got your insulated and macerated fish boxes. It's the same on each side. Very large boxes here, and the macerator pumps pump them directly overboard. Here, you've got your storage. You'll notice everything down to the hatches are all vacuum infused. You've got deep drains that go directly into an extremely deep drain down the side. Keeps these hatches nice and dry. You're able to get fish blood and guts hosed off the boat quite easily, so pretty good detail. You've got rod holders all alongside the sleeper cabin, cup holders, fill for your fresh water tank, and this boat has an upgraded size to 38 gallons of capacity. In here, this is where we've got our AC set up. It's a 12-volt AC. Under here, you've got another storage box. I don't want to pop these snaps off. And then on this particular boat, the owner did not want to have a windlass, so he's just got storage up in here. He stows the anchor away, and he's got a bunch of his fenders and whatnot in here. He's got Garmin open array radar, a full suite of Garmin electronics. He's got Gemlux outriggers, plenty of lighting all around the boat. And I believe that is it. So if you're interested in Insetta, please reach out to us. We'd love to build you a boat. And if you're in the South Carolina area, reach out if you're ever interested in checking out a boat. Thanks.